With AI tools, you can design and sell professional courses in any niche, without needing to be an expert. Let's explore how you can start creating and selling online courses with AI. The demand for online learning has skyrocketed in recent years. People are always looking for ways to improve their skills, whether it's for career advancement or personal development. Creating online courses allows you to reach a global audience while earning passive income. The first, and arguably most critical step in harnessing AI for your course creation journey, is selecting the right tool for the job. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't use a hammer to saw a plank of wood. The AI tool you choose will fundamentally shape your workflow and the final quality of your course. The AI landscape is vast and can feel overwhelming, with new platforms emerging almost daily. Making a thoughtful choice up front will save you countless hours of frustration and rework. It's the difference between a smooth, efficient process and a clunky, disjointed one. Your goal is to find a tool, or a suite of tools, that acts as a true partner, augmenting your expertise and streamlining the creation process. So where do you begin? Let's break down the main categories of AI tools for course creators. First, we have the large language models, or LLMs. These are the powerhouses of text generation. Platforms like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, or Anthropic's Claude are your go-to for brainstorming course topics, structuring detailed outlines, writing video scripts, and even generating quiz questions and marketing copy. They are incredibly versatile, acting as your creative co-pilot for all things text-based. Next up are the AI presentation and video generators. Tools like Gamma, Tome, or Pictory specialize in transforming your text outlines into visually engaging presentations or videos. They can automatically find stock footage, create slides, and design layouts, turning a simple script into a professional-looking lesson in minutes. This category is a game changer for anyone who isn't a graphic designer but wants to produce high-quality visual content. Then there's a specialized category for process documentation. If your course involves teaching a software workflow or any step-by-step process on a computer, tools like Scribe or Tango are indispensable. They watch you work and automatically generate beautiful, shareable how-to guides complete with screenshots and written instructions. This is efficiency on a whole new level for creating tutorials. Finally, don't forget about AI voice and image generators. Platforms like 11 Labs or Murph.ai can create incredibly realistic voiceovers from your scripts, saving you the time and expense of recording your own audio. And for custom visuals, tools like Midjourney or DALL-E 3 can generate unique images and illustrations that perfectly match your course's branding, ensuring your content stands out. With all these options, how do you choose? Start by clearly defining your course's primary format. Is it video first, text-based, or interactive tutorials? Your answer will point you toward a specific category. Next, assess your technical comfort level and budget. Many platforms offer free trials, so take advantage of them. Spend a day experimenting. See which interface feels most intuitive. The best tool is the one you'll actually use. Ultimately, you'll likely build a small stack of a few key AI tools that work together, each handling a different part of the creation process, from initial idea to final polished lesson. Once you've selected your AI tool, input your course details such as topics, lesson structure, and target audience. AI can generate content, lesson descriptions, and instructional text. You can customize the content to ensure it's clear, engaging, and informative for your audience. Now that you have the content, it's time to design your course materials. Use AI design tools like Canva to create visually appealing slides, workbooks, and PDFs. Add images, icons, and video elements to enhance the learning experience for your students. You've created your course. Congratulations. Now let's transition from creator to entrepreneur. Your first step is choosing where to host and sell your course. This decision is critical, as it will define how you build your business. You have two main paths. Course marketplaces like Udemy offer a built-in audience, but you sacrifice control over branding, pricing, and revenue. On the other hand, all-in-one platforms like Teachable or Kajabi give you a branded website and full control. The catch? You're responsible for all marketing. This path requires a solid plan but offers greater potential for building a long-term brand. For maximum control, you can self-host using WordPress with an LMS plugin. Or, for simplicity, digital storefronts like Gumroad let you sell directly to an existing audience with minimal setup. Once you've chosen your platform, craft a high-converting sales page. It needs a powerful headline, a clear explanation of the student's transformation, a detailed curriculum, and social proof like testimonials. Price based on value. and consider offering payment plans to make your course more accessible. By leveraging these tools, you're building a system to deliver your knowledge to a global audience, turning your passion into a thriving online enterprise. We've journeyed through the entire process, from pinpointing that perfect, profitable niche to leveraging the incredible power of artificial intelligence to craft compelling course content. We've seen how AI can act as your research assistant, your scriptwriter, and even your graphic designer. Now let's bring it all together and cast a vision for what's truly possible when you combine your unique expertise with these revolutionary tools. Creating and selling online courses with AI isn't just a new method, it's a paradigm shift. It represents one of the most efficient, scalable, and accessible ways to turn your knowledge into a thriving, profitable business. The barrier to entry for sharing what you know has never been lower. You no longer need a massive team or a Hollywood budget. Your primary assets are your expertise and your willingness to partner with technology to bring your vision to life. Let's recap the core actions. It starts with choosing the right AI tools. This isn't about finding one magic bullet, but about building a synergistic toolkit. For your core content, you'll rely on large language models like GPT-4 to brainstorm outlines, write scripts, and generate quiz questions. For your visuals, AI image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E 3 can create stunning, custom graphics and thumbnails that make your course stand out. Next, you'll design your materials. This is where you transform raw information into an unforgettable learning experience. Use AI to help structure your modules for a logical flow, create downloadable workbooks, and design engaging presentation slides. And don't forget production. AI-powered video editors can now automatically remove silences, add dynamic captions, and even select the best takes, cutting your editing time from days down to mere hours. Finally, you'll sell your courses online. Choose a robust platform like Kajabi, Teachable, or Thinkific to host your content and process payments. But AI's role doesn't end there. Use it to write high-converting sales copy for your landing page, craft persuasive email marketing campaigns to nurture your audience, and even analyze customer data to refine your marketing strategy for maximum impact. Following this path allows you to reach a truly global audience. Your expertise is no longer confined by geography. You can have students from New York to New Delhi, all learning from you on their own time. This model unlocks multiple revenue streams, from one-time course sales to recurring subscription models and premium coaching packages. It's the foundation for building real, sustainable wealth based on the value you provide. This is how you start building your course empire. Your first course is the cornerstone. From there, you can use AI to repurpose that content into ebooks, mini-courses, and workshops, creating an entire ecosystem of products around your core expertise. The biggest hurdle is rarely the technology, it's overcoming the inertia of starting. You have valuable knowledge that people are actively searching for. The tools are more powerful and accessible than ever before. The path is clear, your audience is waiting. Start building your course empire today. Have you ever created an online course? Share your tips and experiences in the comments. Subscribe to AI Goldmine for more tips on turning AI tools into profitable business opportunities. Next, how to use AI to write ebooks and sell online.